After try them in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia on the street food, I want to make at home. So see you after the intro. To prepare our falafel, we need 250 grams of dry chickpeas. Yesterday night I put in the water, now I throw the water, I put this in this towel, the chickpeas on the towel, because they should be no more dry, but not with the water, if not our balls will not stay together. After we need 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of crumbled bread, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 clove of garlic, 2 spring onion or green onion, and the parsley. The green part of the onion and the parsley I will cut with a knife. The other things you can put in the mixer and work with the mixer. Work not too much, because it's not become too small, the pieces. You need a mix with like a dough with pieces, with crumbles. After we add the green parts, we prepare our dough, we make the ball, and we should deep fry our falafel. So you need also half liter of oil. So let's make it. Spectacular. I also prepared this dip sauce, 1 yogurt, 1 teaspoon of tahini sauce or tahini paste, a pinch of salt and pinch of paprika. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. If you have some questions, some requests, please write down in the comment. Bye bye!